crispy. I know. But look on the bright side.
What bright side?
Ta-da!
Let's show you where we go. Actually, what the bitch is talking?
Careful with those.
Oh, that's okay.
That's right. Nowadays, these are considered rare.
Oh, some Zero got his own game?
It wasn't good.
Wait, it's not Zero?
No. So, if you wouldn't mind putting it back. Oh my god. SB, what are you doing?
I want to have a look at it.
I'm so dead.
What?
I'm so dead.
Oof. Talk about withstanding the test of time, huh?
Exactly. That's why you have to.
Stop this, Chuppa. Was this game really that bad?
Not as bad as you had like the book. Oh my god.
It's just a book. Okay. Let's look at the country.
Please, let's not.
Holy cow, these cartridges are huge!
Please do me a favor and put it back.
Hi.
Ooh.
What about the other game?
Don't you dare.
You have to show where we got
Yo, well, I got an anxiety attack because of you.
When you start being such a big vision, what's the big deal? It's not that the black telling you to stop game or anything.
Yeah, well, it's not like you can find this game in a freaking garage sale or something, dude. Oh.
Will you relax already? We're done. Isn't that right, Cleopatra?
Thank God.
And that's not like the retro game. And next, ladies and gentlemen, rolling through the forest of the Bumbleberry Hollows with a weight of 60 liters and 10 and a half of cheek to cheek. The one and only Fripouille. This custom peddlers may seem harmless, but look at it. Squishy, he's a bunch of the cute stripe, here to be cheese. He's a genuine heartthrob, and it comes with an old buttering tongue. He loves flowers, warm beverages like coffee and chai tea, and tastes like a great good world. Perfect! I'm the Cleopatra who suffered over my tuna. Oh, wow! Let's see
Wait, didn't you get him as a gift? How about you show us Mackie's loot?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
My dear pumpkin girl, are you looking for a cute pasta with all your freshly brewed apples? Look at there! Oh, Serif and Glyph have got you covered! Please, meet Chuppa!
Chuppa Cuppa?
Please, Piglet!
No.
What customer do you That's necessary. That's okay. And each one is made with 100% pure love.
What about Pink Clementine?
From the sounds of the Sahara Desert comes the never before seen species of the cactus family. What's a baby? Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Meowtus the Cuppa.
Meowtus?
Listen, unless Mac and the Wagon decides otherwise, his name's Meowtus. Got it?
Got it.
Good. This is our new captain. And the guy that you can't do, if you can do that turkey, a species is a boy should die. Oh, this is the boreal forest. Emerges the most dangerous fungus. The eels who time. The charmer who charms is contagiously charming. Ladies and gentlemen, please meet Mushy the Subbies.
Seriously? You couldn't give him a better name than... It's perfect!
Yeah, that little mushroom brings good fortune and love.
Really? How so?
Just when you thought it couldn't get cooler than this, find the collaboration. Collaboration. Cool. Comes
that's the end of our unboxing. We hope that you enjoyed our latest episode. It wasn't without its challenges, but hey, it's always fun to experiment, and we couldn't be happier with the results. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by. We hope that it was everything you'd expect from us. We hope that it got you smiling, or better yet, that it got you laughing. If you are new to the channel and like this type of content, we invite you to check out our other videos. Each one is unique and with as much love and dedication as this one. Also, why not show us a bit of support by hitting that like button? It won't just help our channel, but doing this to the other channels you love and follow helps them out as well.
And if you really want to support our channel, subscribe!
To Serif and Glyph, Pink Clementine, and Bumbleberry Hollows, thank you for letting us share a bit of your worlds with others. We hope that we were careful with your treasures. May your time and dedication to your crafts only grow. So, until the next unboxing, peace.